Zack Films is a masterful content creator on YouTube and across social media. In fact, he is so good at what he does, he has billions of views and he has over 20 million subscribers on YouTube alone. What makes his content different? Well, that's what I'm going to be breaking down today. My name is Scott Simson. I am an expert YouTube strategist, and I've been fortunate to work with hundreds of content creators just like you, helping them build their strategies, grow their YouTube channels. And today I'm breaking down Zack Films. I'm going to tell you everything that he's doing right, so that way you can incorporate it into your strategies. Let's get into it.
When you get stitches, a doctor threads a needle through your wound and pulls it tight to close the skin.
All right, already there's a number of things about this video that grab my attention immediately. Number one, there is tension in this video because immediately you see a leg with a cut in it and then a needle going through that cut all the way up. You cannot pull your eyes off of this. This is the Dr. Pimple Popper effect, I call it. And basically what this does, it creates so much emotional connection to this, whether it's anxiety or the cringe effect or just general interest from mass appeal of somebody having a cut on their leg and seeing stitches go into it. So point number one that I'm trying to make is faster you can create tension in a video, the easier it is for you to hook an audience.
As the stitches hold the edges together, the wound becomes inflamed as new cells begin to repair the tissue. Afterwards, connective tissues and collagens start to create skin. Then, blood vessels form to nourish these developing tissues, filling in the area. And over a few weeks,
there's constant motion in this video. It doesn't matter where it's at, whether it's a slow zoom or it's the wound healing, the more red and inflamed they make it, again, it builds an emotional connection because we can relate to that in a lot of cases. And then a lot of people are just kind of like icked out by that, but you can't stop watching because it's gross. It has a huge total addressable market, and that's why this video absolutely crushed. Let's keep watching.
The wound will have healed together and the stitches are removed.
It's short, simple, has a lot of tension, and absolutely has mass appeal.
If you get a splinter, most people just go ahead and pull them out.
All right, again, you guys, Zack is absolutely phenomenal at grabbing your attention from the very first millisecond. He opens this short with a finger scraping a piece of wood. The only thing that probably gets you clinched up more than that is probably someone trying to stick their finger in a light socket. It connects on such a relatable, universal ick level that you can't turn away. And that's what makes Zack D so incredible at this craft. I mean, there's a number of things that he's doing in this video. Let's just keep going. I'm gonna break it down in a second.
Sometimes they get lodged so deep into your skin.
Did you hear the sound effect? It's like this wedging sound that you know is like something being pushed into something. This all connects, and Zack is just the master of pulling out that cringe factor from his audience.
That you can't reach them. If the area gets infected, it will start to swell as pus forms under the skin. This creates pressure around the splinter that can sometimes push it upwards towards the skin's surface. And if you're lucky, after a certain period of time, your body could have completely removed it from your skin.
I love the way that he ends his videos because it's just so abrupt. It's like he doesn't sell past the close, meaning he doesn't drag a video on longer and longer just so he can get longer watch time or audience retention. In fact, if he were to keep going, he'd probably see significant drop in audience retention. So his videos literally just end. But there's a couple things that I wanted to point out in this that you guys probably were paying attention to subconsciously, but maybe not knowing why it was so effective. The first thing is that everything is in bright colors. And so it's actually like a very peaceful color display. He uses a lot of blue in his content, which produces a calming effect. And then he also has this kind of like whimsical music that's happening in the background. I don't know if you guys noticed that. The juxtaposition between what he's talking about and the whimsicalness, if that's a word, of the music creates this unique effect where it doesn't completely gross us out. It almost makes us feel like we're watching something that's scientific. And that's what's really creative and cool about this content is it is gross, and it is for the entertainment factor, and it does make us cringe and clinch up and be icked out. But because of its whimsicalness, it makes people feel like it's okay. It makes people feel like there's a sense of peace around it. The other thing that he does really well is he's got these like sound effects. Let me just rewind this. This is hilarious. Just listen.
Skin that you can't reach them. If the area gets infected, it will start to swell as pus forms under the skin. This creates pressure around the splinter that can sometimes push it upwards towards the skin's surface. And if you're lucky, after a certain period of time, your body could have completely removed it from your skin.
Genius. He's just such a genius with this stuff. He just hooks you immediately from the very first second, keeps you going all the way throughout, and then just ends abruptly, almost on a high. Like he takes you up the mountain and then just leaves you at the top of the mountain where you're just like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. The journey was amazing. Look where I'm at. And then he just leaves you there. And it's totally fine. We love it. We keep coming back to it. And this one has millions and millions of views. All right, let's take a look at this next one. Shooting a bullet at ancient armor. Ready?
If you shot a bullet at ancient armor, some people think it could actually stop the impact. But armor like chainmail was designed to block slashing swords, and plate armor was even better at
Okay, I talked about this a minute ago. One of the things that Zack does really, really well in his content is there's constant motion. There's this old book, it's called In the Blink of an Eye. It was written by a guy named Walter Murch, who was the editor of the Godfather series. Godfather 1, Godfather 2, Godfather 3. And there's a principle that he talks about in this book where he's basically saying if you give your audience an opportunity to blink, then you're going to lose them. So what you have to do is make your content so compelling, build up so much tension that they don't want to blink for fear of missing something. That's how you create a good and effective piece of entertainment content. And Zack does a masterful job doing that in these videos. Again, I want to point out that everything is very well branded too. Zack does a good job of using very consistent colors. He has branding throughout his content so that way people can't rip it off. He doesn't do like a tacky watermark on his videos, but he has these little Easter eggs like Zack D Films on the armor of this knight. He has the blues, he uses these cartoon figures, he shows a lot of emotion in their face, and all of it compounds into this video that is just so effective at grabbing and holding attention. Let's keep watching.
Deflecting strikes by spreading the blunt force across more area, lessening its impact. But these materials weren't very good at stopping arrows, which had enough energy to enter.
Look at the face. Like, I love the face on this guy. Pain is a universal emotion. Everybody knows what pain feels like. If you introduce pain into your content, it connects with people at an emotional level. This is why it's so easy for people to go viral when they're talking about something that they don't like, as opposed to talking about stuff that they do like. Strategies like this that understand this, play on this, take advantage of it, of this core emotion as a human being, and it just works. It crushes.
Enter the armor, so a bullet would have no trouble going right through. If you shot...
Let's just listen to his hook and outro.
If you shot a bullet at ancient armor, some people think it could actually stop the impact, so a bullet would have no trouble going right through.
So if you watch this video all the way through, he starts by making a point, can armor stop a bullet? And then at the end, he concludes his point by saying, no, armor cannot stop a bullet. So he opens a loop by asking a question, and then he closes the loop by giving the answer. This all leads to high audience satisfaction, which is one of the key metrics that YouTube is actually wanting from you and your content. So you guys, if you can create your content more like Zack D Films, then you have a higher likelihood of doing better on YouTube. Take the transcript of this video, run it through your favorite AI software, summarize it, turn it into bullet points, and start implementing. Go out there and get it. If you guys like this content breakdown, let me know in the comments who you want to see me break down next. And in the meantime, make sure you watch this video right here. It's a good one. See you on the next one. Bye.